English education.
Alright. Okay, hello. I'm Karmelawati. I'm as a teacher in SMK Nusantara Indah Sintang, and I want to interview about you. Alright.
I have 10 questions for you. The first, how do you get students to focus and stay quiet in class?
Okay, I as a teacher English in the class, I have the trick for the student. The first, the student have the ice breaking before we get the lesson or the study for the first. Okay, and then I have a game for the students. If the student bored or lazy in class, okay, and the next I have a trick for the student make focus on the material. The first, especially in vocabulary, the first in the classmate. Okay, that's it for me.
What do you do when students seem bored or don't respond to the lesson?
Okay, for the student, I usually use a game for student. If the student bored in the class, when I give the lesson and then I choose one student or group and I give the game for the student to make the focus in the class.
How do you do finish all the material on time without rushing?
Okay, the first I do for the student, I have a journal or task teacher. The first is I give the time how explain the minutes, and then I give the example for the student. If the student is not understand for the material, I explain more, and then if the student understand for the material, I next for the material, and then if the finish, I give the task for the last meeting. It is for me.
Question 4, how do you do cheat when students in one class have different skill level?
Okay, in the class, is it for different skill in the student, alright? Not same but different. Okay, how I cheat in the student? The first I give for one example. Is it is simple past? Okay, and then if the student understand for the first material, I next give next level for the simple. Okay, for the example, I have the question, is it for how, what you do in this morning? If the student answer this question is clear, I not like for the grammar, but as like for the communicate for the student. And then next, if the student not understand what I said, I give the next example is simple or not high level, but this is make the student understood. Okay, what I say, but I give the example for the simple. Is it what do you do in this morning? If the student can the answer is the question, I think is it for example is simple, and then it's not the understood for the my question, but I give the sentence is set, not different, but I think is the student is not different skill, but is so lazy, alright? Not different skill, but the lazy. I think this is not the improve in the home. Okay? I think that's it for me. Yeah.
Next question, how do you stay motivated when you have too much paperwork?
Okay, if I have much, I have a motivation for me or for myself. This is I'm happy because today is not long, for it's a short day. Right, this is for me.
And next question, what do you do when you don't have enough? So like internet, projector or book?
Okay, I'm as a teacher. I usually use a blackboard or whiteboard in the class for student. I choose one student in front in the class, write in whiteboard, and then I choose one again the student to in front in class to write in whiteboard. Okay, this is make me and the student to active in the class, alright? And then if the don't have a projector and any other for the support me and give the place card or any other make for student motivate in the class and then not stop to learn.
Question.
The next question, how do you solve two parents who don't support their children learning?
Okay, I'm as a teacher English in the school. I'm explaining for the parent how about the student, especially the children, and then I explain how about the student if the not learn, is it make the student is so lazy or make the student bored or something for else. English is important for next future, and then English is not make the student is so stupid, alright? This is make the student to for in the new world or any others. This is in the parents source make to know how to learn to English in the school, and then the student make to something for else. For example, can be speaking English, right? Not just for grammar, but any others is the go to in any country. It is for the speaking is no, but not clear for the grammar and others. But the first is speaking, alright? If the student not for the speaking English, he know to go in the new future or the new country, but something for important for the student, especially in the parents, to know how we learn English in every day or every time. And then if the home, the student can learn for the speaking in the toilet or room or the bedroom. This is for learn, but this is to improve the speaking skill, right? Okay, this is important for the student, right?
Next question, what work best when students don't do their homework or assessment?
Alright, I as a teacher usually see for my student if not finish the homework, I give the punishment, and then I give the reason problem what you not finish the homework. If you lazy or not the finish the homework, I give you punishment. That's it.
Question.
Okay, next question, how do you handle it when the curriculum keep changing and targets are high?
Alright, me as a teacher, English and education for the SMK Nusantara, this is difficult for me as a teacher, right? Because start from the curriculum in the last, it is K33, and then this now it is curriculum Merdeka. Is it different about the indicator? First, the last is curriculum is 5, and then in the now it is 4. And then how for me to make the student improve this skill, but this is for that for me, and then make improve the student in the next for curriculum, and then this is not difficult but different learn just for me.
Okay, ma'am, the last question, how do you avoid burnout and take care of your mental health as a teacher?
Okay, I'm as a teacher every day. I'm come to class, alright, and then can meet the student every day, alright. I have a calm, and then I have a positive vibes, and then any other as every day I have the affirmation is I strong, I fight, and can make be something for else. Okay, just for me. Thank you, Tia.
Thank you.
Alright.